Hey everyone, welcome back to the Diva Den. Hey everyone, welcome. If you're new here, my name is Kelly and this is the Diva Den, and I'm really excited to have you, and I hope that you enjoy your time here. So today I am actually in my vacation home down in Arizona, and I thought I'd pop on here because when I'm here I like to hit up a few stores that I can't do in Canada. Except for Walmart, but Walmart down here always has such different things to what I have in Canada. So I like to stop by, and of course there's Target, and I'm really excited because I just got back from Trader Joe's. I'm a Trader Joe virgin, and I'm excited to show you what I got there. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of a mini haul from Walmart, Target, Ulta, and Trader Joe's. So here we go. So yes, I do have Walmart in Canada. Yes, that's no big secret. But I find when I'm down in the US, it's such different stuff. And actually one of their clothing brands, let me get my glasses here, Time and True or something like that? Time and True, we do not have in Canada. So I saw Ashley from Thedivaden.business, and she did a Walmart haul recently, and she picked up a few of these dresses, and they were only $10, $9.92 to be exact. And it's these dresses, these little cotton dresses for the summer. They're just little sleeveless tank ones, and they have pockets. I love a good dress with pockets. So I picked up myself one down here because we don't have this. I checked before I left, and we don't have this. So that's all I got from Walmart. Next, I hit up Ulta. We do not have Ulta in Canada, so I always like to go there. They always have a lot of cool things, and it's just a neat store to look around for somebody like myself. I'm a bit of a makeup geek, but I love looking in Ulta. So I picked up a few things. So the first thing I got was this e.l.f. brush. And it's just a foundation brush, but it has this nice angle on it, so I thought, why not try that? The next thing I got was this eye pencil, this waterline eye pencil from Urban Decay, waterproof eyeliner from Urban Decay. I can probably get it at Sephora where I live, but I was at Ulta and I thought I'd try it, so I got that, and I got it in the color Whiskey, which is a really nice softer black grayish color. So really, I'm always on the hunt for a good waterproof eyeliner to last the day, so I'm excited for that. Then I got, because you always need sunscreen down here or any time of the year, but I saw this on another channel, and I forget, I think it was Graceful Beauty, and I'll try to leave a link to her channel below, but it was this, what is it, Australian botanical sunscreen, Australian Gold. And this is SPF 50, and it's mineral lotion, non-greasy, antioxidant rich, UVA, UVB protection, and it is SPF 50. So I used that on my face this morning. My goodness, this is really, really nice. I really liked it. It almost worked like a moisturizer, and it just went on so nicely and sunk into the skin, so you could still feel like you could put on a little bit of makeup if you wanted. Really, I'm really happy I bought this. And then the last thing I got was a sample size. I am probably the last person on the planet to jump on this, but the Shape Tape concealer. So what I did was I just got a sample size because I've heard mixed reviews on this. I've heard that sometimes on more mature skin, it can be a little bit drying on the under eye crease. So I thought I just would try a sample size. If I love it, then I can order it online. But if not, then, you know, it's only a sample size. And if I do love it, I can just use it sparingly until I'm back down here and can pick up another one. So I'm excited for that. And that was it from Ulta. And now I'll show you what the couple things I picked up at Target. So one of the first things I got at Target, we needed dish soap here. So I picked up a Mrs. Meyer's dish soap, and it is in the scent Mint. Now I can get some Mrs. Meyer's in my grocery stores up near me, but we never ever get the really nice scents that I see all over Instagram and YouTube. We just get like the 3 usual: lemon verbena, basil, and I forget what the other one is. We never get the really seasonal scents, the really nice ones. So I saw the Mint dish soap, so I thought I'd pick it up for here. And yeah, enjoy that. This is one of my favorite toothpastes. Hello, it's an all natural, and this is the activated charcoal. And a teeth whitening activated charcoal. Hello, it's one of those all natural ones. And we love this, and I can't get it in Canada, so I picked up a couple of those to bring home with me. And then because I see it all over YouTube and Instagram and all that stuff, and my husband thought I was crazy, but just this little cupcake stand, you know, you see people at the dollar spot, it was only $1, you know, you see people use it beside their sink and all that kind of good stuff. I tried to make one, and I'll leave the link to that up above, from some stuff from my local dollar store, which it turned out really cute, but this is pretty. And this has, I don't know if you can see, it has a gold rim on it. So I thought that was really sweet. This might sneak into my suitcase for the way home. I think I want to take it home. I don't want to leave it here. So that takes care of Walmart, Ulta, and Target. So now I'm excited to show you what I got at Trader Joe's. Okay, here's my Trader Joe's haul. I know it doesn't look like much, but it was very overwhelming being in there. And to tell you the truth, my husband was with me, so I had to be a good girl. But even he enjoyed it. So I'll start at the back here. We got 2 bottles of wine. I mean, I love my Pinot Grigio. $2.99 for a bottle of wine. If it's not good to drink, it'll be good to cook with. So we were really happy with that. So we got a Pinot and we got a Chardonnay. And then we got this jalapeno sauce, which the store highly recommended. They had just gotten in a new batch. They say they sell out really, really fast. So I'm not a spicy person, but my husband is. But I think we might give this to my daughter because she loves her spicy stuff. And then Romano Caesar dressing. This just looked so delicious. Love a good Caesar dressing, so thought I'd try that. My husband threw these in the cart, and these are the Thai lime and chili almonds. They actually sound really good, so pretty happy with that. He likes avocados. He just picked himself up one. We got the 3 cheese vegetable ravioli, so that looks really good. That'll make a nice little meal down here for us. And then pork chops, nothing special there, just some pork chops, but they look so good. And my husband loves pork chops. I don't eat meat, but that's 2 meals for him. And then the everything but the bagel seasoning. We picked up 2 of them because we will take them home with us. I've heard so many good things about that. Got 2 of those and heard so many good things about this chili lime seasoning. Yeah, I've heard lots and lots of good things, so we're anxious to try that. Have you guys ever tried any of these? Have you tried this jalapeno sauce? Let me know in the comments below. Do you like Trader Joe's? Do you have one near you? We don't have a Trader Joe in Canada, but I was really excited to find it. I'm really happy with finding these and this. Actually, really excited with all of it. Well, that's it for me. That I just wanted to share a little haul that I did while I was down here. I don't do too much shopping, but I do like to, visit these stores because, like I mentioned earlier, I can't find a lot of this stuff up in Canada, and I see it all over YouTube and Instagram. So I just like to check it out and, see what I can find. And I hope you enjoyed that. I'm a Trader Joe's virgin, and I am a convert, and I think my husband is too. He was pretty impressed in there. And shout out to Tom, the gentleman that helped us in Trader Joe's here. He was phenomenal. He took us around the store and showed us all the favorite things, and just was a real joy to talk to and a pleasure to meet. So shout out to Trader Joe's in Chandler in Arizona and Tom. He'll never see this video, but if somebody from Trader Joe's goes there and knows Tom, tell them that I was very appreciative. He was a pleasure to meet, and he showed us all the things, and it was great. It made our trip there even much more enjoyable. So thank you very much, Tom. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you'll think about giving it a thumbs up before you exit on out. And if you're new here, maybe even think about subscribing before you leave. I'd love to have you join me each week. But now I want to get outside and enjoy that sunshine, get down to the pool, things like that. And yeah, enjoy the rest of my vacation. So thanks very much for stopping by, guys, and I hope you have a fabulous week. Bye.